Hello guys, and welcome back. So we're just going to continue from the last time we stopped playing from the last video. So in the last video we started playing chess, which is still on. We can continue playing. Now it's black's move. Okay, so now I want to tell you about why we don't want to use this move dot algebraic. If you go to Firestore, we can see that if it's saving correctly. Let's refresh. So I'm not sure which one is the game that we are currently on. Let's check this one. So it's not this one, it's actually this one. So I've seen that the moves were updating here, and then this is black's current move, this is white's current move. Okay, so now the reason why we're not saving this, let me show you. Let's continue with this game. Okay, so now it's white's turn. When white continues, then also black can continue, white can continue, then black can continue, and then if we can do that, and then you can do this. But now here, once we capture, we know that we need to promote the pawn. Okay, so when we capture, once we promote, we can see that on this side it has promoted, but here it has failed to update. Okay, so that is the reason. If we are using this move, this algebraic move, the package, for some reason it's failing to read the promotion. Okay, you can promote on your side, but passing the data through Firestore to the next application, it's failing to promote. Now it's still reading that it's white's move, but when this side we know that we have played as white and we have promoted, but on this side it hasn't promoted. Okay, so that is what we are going to fix now. We are going to change from using this algebraic move to just the move to string. Okay, this one. So this is actually the same thing that is happening when you are playing with stockfish, because here when we are playing with stockfish, we are getting the move string. Okay, make move string. So even this best move, it won't actually this one, it won't give us a problem because you are playing locally. Okay, as you can see, if it is local, you can promote, you can see your promotion, but if you are passing it via Firebase to the next application, it won't. So in the case of playing versus stockfish, it will promote. Okay, but in this case of playing online versus the friend, it won't. So this is why we are changing this back to move string. Even here, let's change it to move string. I just wanted to show you that now at the moment our game works online to play versus a friend, and you can see that it's live, it's playing in real time. Okay, so that's it guys. This was just to explain to you about this move variable. In the next video, I'm going to tell you now how we are going to convert this move to work, because before you've seen that once we play, if it's like this other application won't read. But what we have to do is inside here, when we are listening and then getting this move, we don't need to make the move string, we need to make that square move. So to do that, we need to get this black's move, or this move that is coming from Firestore, and convert it to the square move, and then make that move. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in the next video. For now, let's stop this, and then in next video we are going to create that converting this move to the square move, so that we make a square move. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.